Hello guys, now I'm gonna make chicken pizza. Here is the dough that is already in a pizza shape, and now I'm gonna put the tomato pasta. And I'm gonna spread it with the silicone spatula. And now the mozzarella, I'm gonna grate it over the pizza. And take this big chunk and I'm gonna continue grating more mozzarella. And done. Now the next ingredient. And now the olives. As you can see, everything is prepared, and I just put it over the raw pizza, over the dough. The oven is preheated, and now I'm gonna add some corn, zucchini, and some raw chicken breast. And I have these slices of zucchini. And some corn. And I'm gonna add a few mushrooms too, and at the end the chicken breast. And now the mushrooms. And now I'll add the chicken breast. And this is it. It's ready to go in the oven. Before I bake it in the oven, I'm gonna season it with some sea salt, especially on the meat. Really more tasty. It's ready. This is the pizza. Put it now in the oven. The oven is preheated at 220 Celsius degrees, and I'm gonna leave it between 40 minutes, 30 minutes. So now I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna show you how it looks when it's baked and ready to be eaten. Hello guys, I put on the gloves and I'm ready to take out the pizza. The crust is golden brown and the cheese bubbles. I let it about 16 or 17 minutes. This pizza I'm not gonna cut, it's for my mother. I wish her to enjoy it and I hope she will like it. Bye bye guys, it's time for the next pizza.